Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the lab, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, press that notification button because you don't want to miss out on the great content that I'm making. And if you're part of the lab, welcome back, and I am back again with another one. So as you can see, it is the festive season, and I don't have to tell you what we will be doing today because you can already see it. We will be decorating today together our Christmas tree. I'm very excited because I love the season. It's just good. So this year I'll be doing it on my own. It's okay because my husband is not here. So yeah, and let's just do this together. So here we have our Adventkranz, and we are going to be decorating it as well. We had this theme last year, and I'm going to see what I'm gonna add also this year. And then we're gonna move a bit. I'm just gonna show you the kind of decoration that we have. We have everything. We have red and gold, and we also have some stuff that's also a part of the Adventkranz. Just gonna see which one we're gonna use. And we also have this, like we have a lot to deal with. And we got this candles. I have like 1, 2, and the third one there. Exactly. So yeah, and this is our Christmas tree, and you can see it is big, but this is not a real tree. This is not a real tree. This is artificial, so we use it again and again every year. So just be fixing the tree so that everything comes out well. Yeah, like that. So like that don't look so okay, and then we'll just be fixing them. Yeah, I don't know if I'm early on decorating a Christmas tree, but I just couldn't wait any longer. Just showed you the decoration that we have. So this year, the plan that I have is to put a lot of red. Last year we had a mixture of gold, red, and silver all together. I mixed everything that I had. This year I want to put a lot of red and just a little bit of silver. So I think this year I'm not even going to do gold, but I want this here. Maybe we're gonna try and fix it later. We do have a lot of red, luckily. Good. So we're just gonna start. So on this, I don't know what type you have at home, you guys, but you just need to be careful because if you drop one, it will break. Luckily here we have some of glass and some are of plastic. So yeah, I just hope I'm not gonna break any. Just tell me in the comment section if you have already started decorating your Christmas tree, or am I just too early? I just love decorating the Christmas tree. Usually last year we did it, me and Flo, but this year while he is not at home, And I was like, what am I going to do on my own? I can as well, and I have free day at work. I might as well start decorating the Christmas tree, because in the next days I'll be working throughout and I won't be having time. So I might as well start decorating the tree now. I'll just show you the decoration of us a bit closer. I feel like it's so nice. And oh, this I have to put thing on it, and like just plain red, but I find it so nice as well. Oh, look at this as well. This is another decoration. It looks so nice. I don't know what you guys think. Do you like doing too much, or do you like not doing too much? I'm just also someone who doesn't like doing too much. So we're just gonna see. Now the gold is looking so good that your girl is confused. I think I'm gonna put this bigger one at the end. So we have this. They look like mushrooms. I hope not too near. Like mushrooms. We're just gonna find where we can add them. If they don't look well, we'll put them on the Adventkranz, okay? If they don't come out well. And then we also have this. I'm just gonna add this as well. Oops. This. We have these. I'm just gonna select. Oh, they look so cute. Look at that. And something like that. Let's just see where it's going to go with. Distance to see if we need everything, okay? They're not yet visible, so I'm just gonna put more of them, okay? Probably here, probably there. I have this. Look at this bow. This big. I'm just gonna figure out where we're gonna put this. So let's do it. I am tempted with the gold now. We also have this. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. I'm tempted. I am tempted to put gold. I'm so sorry. I thought it was going to be like silver, and let's see. This is like this rebound. Let's see if it'll be nice. Otherwise, not trying gold. I don't know. I'm not feeling this. I think we're gonna see. I'm not feeling it. So since we don't want too much, one here, something this week. Do you think I should add some more? This is the problem with decorating. When you start, you don't want to stop. That's the candles. So I could put them. What do you think? Let's see. First of all, before I put the battery, add more. I wish I was live right now, so you could help me if there's. I keep touching this because I want it there. Let's try this again, guys. Let's try this again. Okay? Maybe I'm putting it all wrong. You know when you want something so bad. No. Let's see now. I feel like it's not even. It's not even it. So let's try and decorate this. Since we are gonna be doing red, I'm gonna try other like candles. Let's see if this works. I don't like it when it's too much like this, because when these things are burning and we're not seeing, we don't want anything to be burning the whole house. I'm gonna be using some of this. This one to add more of the red. I don't know if some other countries do have this culture. I don't know. I started seeing this when I came here in Germany. So this, they call it an Adventkranz. So on the first Sunday of December, you lighten up the first candle, and the second Sunday, the second candle, the third Sunday, and the fourth, and that will be Christmas. I'm going to put a little bit of gold, I know. Me and gold, I know it was not part of the plan, but just a little bit. Yeah, like that. Let me see if I have anything more. Just brought a leftover mushroom. Maybe put it here. This also was left out from the tree. So this decor will be going away. If you like candles, let me just show you. They are so nice, and if you just want them, let me know. They smell so good. They're not like any other that you know. They're not like that. They're not like that. So I would really recommend. To record this, I got help to assemble this. So we're just gonna put it here on top. So probably like this. More of this. So maybe shorter. Just gonna plug it in. It has to be more visible outside. I wish I could show you guys how it would look outside, but honestly, I don't want to go outside. Everything. We are ready for Christmas. The Adventkranz. And our Christmas tree. A little bit of Christmas deco. And this is coming here. A little bit of Christmas deco. And this is the final look.